Hello loves, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing for you guys, and this big thing right here, I've ordered my very first ring light. I know I'm a little bit behind the game on getting a ring light. I feel like I'm probably the only stylist without one, but I've always been a fan of using natural light, and I just moved into a new suite that doesn't have any windows in it. So my options were to either bring all of my clients outside to do my photos, which just seems like a hassle, or I could have ordered a ring light. So I did the latter. I've got a ring light, and it just came in. I ordered it from Amazon. The company is called Neewer, I think, but I will drop a link in the description box below. So if you guys want to order the same ring light that I have, you can definitely do that. But I'm stupid excited about this, so let's go ahead and get inside. Alright, so here is our box that was inside the big box from Amazon. So this is the 18-inch one that I've ordered. This is pretty cool. It's got a handle on it, so I wish I had known this because I was trying to carry in that massive box from my car into my suite, and it was like half the size of my body. So if you need to transport this box anywhere, it has a handle, so that's pretty neat. In here, inside of this box, this has some stuff in it, and then we have this big carrying case. So this is the company that made the ring light. I guess it's pronounced Neewer. I really have no idea though. If you guys know how to actually pronounce this, let me know in the comments below. But I'm already really digging this case. Like, it just looks super like clean, and it's very sleek. It has these two handles, and then it has a longer strap too, so you can actually adjust the size of the strap and like throw it over your shoulder. So I like this. I do a lot of traveling to teach color classes and stuff, and I like bringing my whole photography setup with me to show all the students how I do my photos at the end of a color service. So anything that comes in a little bag that I can carry with me is like my best friend. I love it so much. So here is another box. And now, here is the actual ring. So this is an 18-inch one. I know there's some different sizes, but I heard from other stylists that the 18-inch one seems to be perfect for taking photos of hair. So that's what I went with. Also on the back of this, I'll have to figure out how to work it, but I know it does have this little stand right here, so I can actually put my phone or my camera into this little stand. So while I'm taking photos, I don't have to like try to hold the camera or my phone or whatever I'm shooting with. I can just set it up there. So that'll be fun to play around with too, but I really don't know what to do with this right now, so we'll just put it over here. Wow! So many things that I don't know what they are. So this is our warranty card. If you register your ring light, you get warranty on it for a year. It also has an email from the customer service director, so if you have any issues, you can email him directly. And then this is our little guide. So it looks like it tells you exactly how to do some setup stuff. So we will definitely be looking at this in a moment, but I want to see what all we have in here. These are filters, so you can actually snap these on to the ring light if you need like a warmer tone light, and I guess this would be like maybe a neutral or a cooler tone light. So these look kind of clear, whitish almost, and these other ones are orange, obviously. We have a Bluetooth remote shutter. This looks like an attachment for a camera or a phone, maybe. I don't know yet, but we'll figure it out. Here is your packing list, just to make sure you got everything, and it looks like we did, so that's awesome. And then, oops, here are your cable cords. So this looks like, these little things all look like different adjusters, so I'm sure these are to raise the height of your ring light, so you can switch that up depending on exactly what you're shooting. Okay, so everything is unpacked. Let's see if we can figure out how to set it up. Okay, so the first step for installation is going to be doing the light stand. So we need our folding state, which we have right here. So this piece, it says, hold the middle pole of light stand with one hand and draw out the stand legs with the other hand. Adjust the stand legs to the angle you want. Okay, this is like the most unladylike thing ever, but I seriously had to put this top part in between my legs to pull these out. But this is what I think it should look like. You have your middle piece and then your little tripod legs down here. So we've got them out and down, and we'll figure out exact angles later, but let's just get it going. You're going to loosen the screw on the middle pole, extend the light stand to the height you want, and tighten the screws again. There's these screws up at the top here, so I think you can loosen each one of these, yes, and figure out exactly how high you want it. So for right now, we'll just keep it pretty low while we're installing it, and then go back and adjust our height later. So there it is. It's looking good so far, right? Okay, installation of soft tube. Loosen the screw at the end of the soft tube, attach it to the top of the light stand, and tighten the screws again. What the heck is the soft tube? So I believe this is our soft tube. It's a very deceiving name because it is not soft at all. It is not pliable, it does not bend. What a horrible name for this thing. So we are going to loosen the screw so it's almost all the way out of the soft tube, so the screw can't go inside and get in the way of this piece. This is going to slide down right over it and get screwed into place. Bam! We are ring light geniuses in this piece. Loosen the screw at the bottom of the ring light base, attach the ring light to the soft tube, and tighten the screw again to secure the ring light. So here is the ring light. This piece at the bottom here moves out like this, and again there is a screw inside that we are going to loosen all the way out. You're going to put it on top like this, and this thing has already gotten way bigger than I thought it was going to, and then tighten that back up. Honestly, this part's making me a little nervous. Feels a little wobbly, but I'm sure it'll all work out in the end, right guys? Our instructions said you can actually bend the soft tube a little bit now, and for some reason having the light attached to it, maybe having the weight on it, makes it a little more like pliable, but you can actually bend this, so if you for whatever reason need to do some photography this way, it's an option. Okay, next we are going to be installing our color filter. I'm only going to be putting these white ones on my ring light. I think obviously I'm going to be using this for hair photography, so I don't want an orange or like a warm cast affecting my hair, so we're just going to be doing the clear one just to get the most accurate results. So we have our filter pieces here. First, mount the color filter at the bottom of the ring light, the unique filter. All right, which one of these is unique? this one because this one has a little semicircle here. All the other ones are just flat. So you can actually see this will match up because it is rounded, and then right here there's a little hump that we do on this filter. So everything just snapped right into place. That was probably the easiest part of this whole installation. Almost too easy, makes me a little nervous if we've messed something up, but hopefully it's fine. Then mount the other 3 color filters in order. What order do they go in? This actually looks like there's a little dip here, so this piece can snap behind this piece, it looks like. So we'll wedge it in right behind there, and then just continue snapping everything into place. Okay, so now we have these pieces. This little robot looking guy here and this thing. This is actually going to be for your smartphone, and it slides out a little bit so any phone will fit into it. So it's pretty neat because there's 2 mounting spots, one on the back, so if you want your phone to be vertical you can do that. There's also one on the sides, so if you want to do it this way you can put your phone horizontally through that. So all we're going to do is screw this piece into the base down here. So we have this piece. Somehow it's going to attach into that. Let's figure it out. Place the ball head on the ring light, cold shoe, female base, and screw tightly. If you guys can see, right back here, there's just a little rectangular threading piece. So once you have this set up, all you do is take this rectangular piece right here and slide it in place. So I put my phone in this piece after some struggling. We'll screw it to the base down here. Then all you need to do would be slide your phone into place like that. So if you're recording over here on your phone, you can have the light shining on you with your phone sitting up there. Pretty cool. Okay, I just really want to get to the point where we actually turn this thing on. So I'm just gonna go and match up what matches what. I don't know what this is for, but I do see, we know this end is gonna go into an outlet. We know that much already. So here's our outlet piece, and that leaves us with this piece right here. And it looks like this will go into this box. Then we have this little piece that seems to match up with this one. So I'm just gonna shove that in there and plug it up. Let's see what happens. It has life. Under here there is a little on-off switch and a dimmer. Oh my God. So you can turn it all the way off or brighten it up, whatever. Let's see how this looks on my face. So, if I am a hair model. Does my hair look nice? Oh, good. Okay, so this thing is really bright. Can't really look into it, but it doesn't have, it's just like completely an adjustable dimmer. It's not like 3 settings or anything. You can actually do it as light or as dark as you want. So that's gonna be pretty cool. I guess I'll just kind of play around with that depending on what color I am shooting for the day. But yes, we have it assembled. This is it. This is it. All right, guys, so this is my new ring light. It is all assembled. I think we did everything right, and I'm pretty excited about it. I can't wait to actually do some shoots with it and see the results that I actually get on my hair photos. So let me know if you guys think it would be cool. As I was putting this up, I was thinking that I could do a video to show you guys my actual photography setup. I have like a whole backdrop and everything. So if you guys want to see exactly how I shoot my color photos after I finish them, leave a comment below, let me know, and I could do a video like that for you. Another cool thing that I haven't played around with yet with this ring light is do you guys remember the remote shutter that I found that's somewhere on the floor in all of these empty boxes? It is Bluetooth, so if you attach your smartphone or your tablet here, you can turn on the Bluetooth and connect it to the remote. So that's how the shutter will actually work with you through Bluetooth, which I think is very cool. If you have any questions about this Neewer ring light, leave them in the comments below. I'll also put a link directly to Amazon where I ordered this one from. I think it was just a little over $100, so it was pretty affordable for all the use we're going to get out of it too. So just let me know if you have any questions. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!